Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine x, that is about cosine x over sine x. Cosecant of x, that is about 1 over sine x. So this one we change for cosine x. This one we change for this one. Next we simplify and we have cosine x to the power of 5 over sine x. We have 69 plus 5. We have sine x to the power of 74. So this one we can put cosine x square everything to the power of 2 with cosine x. So we have the formula in here. Cosine x square plus sine x square equals to number 1. So because we have cosine x square, so we put sine x square go to the right. And we have 1 minus sine x square. So I will put this one go in here. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to cosine x dx. So sine x we change by u, and we have u square. This one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by du. Now we need to expand this one, and we have like this. So 1 divided by this one, we have u to the power of negative 74. Similar for this one and this one, and they should be like this. So we have negative 72. This one we have negative 70. And now we have the formula in here. So we put negative number 74 gone here. Negative 74 plus 1, we have negative 73. Similar for this one and this one. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.